Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 Chevy Tahoe LTZ four-wheel drive. Stock number Z7299A. 55,000 miles and this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Tahoe brand new, tungsten metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. DVD player. Middle row seats are heated. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. With the push of a button on the inside of the door. Middle row seats fold flat. Push again. Will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. This Tahoe has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure alert, forward collision alert, backup camera, and front and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power lift gate, 60/40 split rear seat, folds flat easily with the push of a button. You can also fold and tumble the second row from here as well. Push again to bring it right back up. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Cruise control. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps, navigation, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Heated as well as cooled front seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Wireless charging mat for cell phones. No more cords hanging in the way. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power lift gate control. Under the hood, this Tahoe is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and almost new tires. For more information on this Tahoe, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.